Hey YouTube, today we have another unboxing video and we have an overcast today, guys. It's cloudy, there's no sun, so I gotta try to get this planted today if it's not in a pot. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, I got the box open, y'all. Let's see. Try to get this out. It seems like it's bare root. Okay. So it's a small tree. All right. It could be anywhere from, I'll say it's a 3-gallon, probably a 3-gallon. Okay. So let's take this knot out and then I'll pull the top off. Okay guys, let me pull the top off. And voila! Look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? And y'all already know from the leaf what it is, right? So let's look at it anyway. It says Orange Sherbet. So this is a Orange Sherbet Mango. And this white tag says Magnifera indica, Orange Sherbet Mango grafted. Okay, I wanted this mango tree so bad because I was looking at other videos online, and you know, a lot of people says, oh, the orange sherbet is good, it's good, you know, this and that. And there's a few other ones out now that are good too, but I wanted this one. Like it was another one I wanted too called Lemon Meringue, and another one called Lemon Zest. But I got this one because I feel like it'll better suit my taste buds than the lemon zest. Okay. So I got this one. Now on their website, if I didn't say it before, I got this from Top Tropicals in Florida. That's where I've been getting my recent tropical trees from. Okay, so they're in Florida. But this tree on their website, it says 1 to 3 gallon. So I'm really not sure the gallon specifically for this plant, but I'm gonna just go ahead and say it's a 3-gallon because it's kind of tall. Okay, so I'm excited. It's a good mango fruit, and I'm excited to try it. I might even try it before the tree actually produces, because you know these days you can order mangoes and stuff online and they ship it to your house, you know, so I might try that. So I'm excited. It's a nice looking tree. So I'm gonna just put this in a small pot and put it in my greenhouse with the other ones, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing video, and have a great day. Bye.